How to change your date of birth in your Google account. This tutorial shows you how to update your birthday directly from the Google app in case you entered it wrong when setting up your account. First, open the Google app on your Android device. From there, tap your profile picture at the top right of the screen. After that, tap Manage Your Google Account. At this point, give it a moment while your Google Account Manager page loads. Following this, once it opens, tap Personal Info from the menu. From here, scroll down until you find the birthday section and tap on it. At this stage, tap on the date currently listed to open it for editing. Following this, adjust the day, month, and year fields to reflect your correct date of birth. From here, double-check everything looks right before moving on. Finally, tap Save to confirm the change. Once saved, your updated birthday will reflect across your Google account and any linked services that pull that information. That's how you change your date of birth in your Google account. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.